Morning everyone. So today we are on Camposol, an urbanisation in near the port of Matheron on the Costa.Calida. I've got a Neptune style villa to show you, so let's go in and check it out. So this is the Neptune style villa that I'm showing you. It has raised walls for privacy and a sliding back gate. Okay, so I'm just going to take you inside a moment. We'll have a look inside. And as you can see down the side there, you have outside dining. Just around here around the front, I'll show you all this area. You've got laid to decorative stone there with stepping stones, a lovely seating area, and your lounges. And you've got a nice little pool here, so you can just have a nice dip, you know, when it gets too hot. So we are only 30 minutes from the local airport, Covera, which is Murcia International. And this is the villa I'm showing you today. Okay, upstairs is a solarium. And do you know what? Quickly, I'll just show you around the side areas. So just here, you've got a barbecue, and you've got an area there where you can sit in the shade and have your lunch in the afternoon. That stairway is from the kitchen. And you have a little gateway through here, and this brings you out to another area. Where you got your washing line so you can hang your smalls. It's very private, and your shed there. Okay, you've also got an awning here up for shade. Just put that out. So let me go around to the front of the property and take you in to the main house. So you've got about 1, 2, 3 steps, so this is easy access into this villa here. And as you can see, you've got it like a tinted reflective mirror which keeps the heat from penetrating the room. So once inside the D section, there's a sofa there with a telly and that. So if you wanted, you could just sit in here, you know. This is lovely in the winter. You could read a book, have a coffee, and it's just nice to look out over your pool. Okay, so I'm going to take you in now. So I've just walked into this lovely home, and just inside, it's a Neptune style villa. But what they've done is they've taken down the wall that's usually here, you know, and made it more open, as you can see. And as you can see, you've got aircon, ceiling lights and fans, and you've got 2 of them. You have a pellet burner, and this is your dining area here. You've got a window there, and that follows into the kitchen. But I'm going to go through the archway over on the other side. I'm just going to pan around to give you a feel for the room. So it's nice open plan. So through the archway into the master bedroom. Well, in here you have aircon, and you've got your ceiling light and fan. On the beds beside them you have switches and sockets on either side. And just through there you have your double wardrobe and a single wardrobe. Okay. And just through here is your ensuite. So you have large shower there with rain head shower unit, frosted, semi-frosted glass shower screen, I should say. You have your WC, your bidet, and your sink and vanity unit, and a nice mirror there as well. Okay. So we go back in and around. And just through here is the guest room. So in the guest room you've got twin wardrobes, his and hers. You've also got the ceiling light and fan and your aircon. Good size room again. And you could put 2 single beds in here if you wanted to. Okay. So just in here is your shower room. So you've got a bifolding door here, window and a nice modern shower just there. It's all fully tiled from floor to ceiling. So you have your WC and your sink and vanity unit and a nice mirror there as well. All right. I'll just switch off the lights as I go. So this is a good sized living space as well. And it's lovely and cool in here, and that's what you want in the summer like this, you know. So through here is your kitchen. You have plenty of worktop space, your sink and drainer, you've got a water filter tap there. You have your dishwasher, cupboard space, drawers and washing machine, and you've got cupboards at the top there as well. If I stand back, you can see you have room for 2 large fridges. You have plenty of top and base units and plenty of worktop space. You also got your hob and your electric oven. Okay, and that door leads then up to the top box. Just pan around and you can see that dining area is off the kitchen. Okay, so let me take you up to the next section of this Neptuno, which is your top box, which is a 3rd bedroom for guests or whatever you wanted, you know. So I'll see you at the top, guys. So I've just got upstairs to the top box, and this is an extended top box up here. Okay, so you've got 2 beds. You got nice table and chairs. Obviously they use it as a craft room. You got your ceiling light and fan, and you got your doors. You got 2 sets of patio doors here to go outside. I'm going to take you outside a minute. Just there is your storage area, and I'm going to show you in the storage area. This one happens to be open. They're all generally about the same. Plenty of storage there. Okay, a few suitcases. So this is a nice area up here where you could put some false grass, some loungers, and your guests could really just enjoy the sunshine. And just down there you have got the country where they can just go and you can walk your dog, and it's a nice country walk in the afternoon. All right, so just above on the ceiling you see there are solar panels as well. So let's go inside. So just in here you have your ensuite, and in here you have sink and pedestal. You got your bidet, your WC and a bath with a shower curtain and a rain head shower. You have a frosted glass window there, and again it's all tiled from floor to ceiling. So I'm just going to take you down these steps, guys. So guys, what do you think of this property? You've got a lovely pool to the front. You've also got those solar panels which give you cheap electricity. You're very near to the golf course, and you're only 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport, which is great, and 20 minutes drive to several beaches down the road in near the port of Matheron. So if you're interested in the property, do contact info@tolettoselltobuy.com, quoting the reference number which you will find in the title of this video. And until the next time, take care, and I see you again in the next video. Bye bye.